man. I'm gonna need to put a pipe on that thing.
These babies are way too tight and salted up.
That ain't right. Should try torching them or no?
Probably.
Just PV blast them and just put some freaking heat to it.
Good old Midwest. We're not ready for the half inch yet.
Definitely get video footage if you gotta go to that extreme.
All we're trying to do is just add a little grease. Probably light the whole machine on fire now.
Sweet, we got insurance. It's at the house. I wonder how bad the rest of the undercarriage is if them are rusted that bad.
All right.
Before we know it, we're putting $400 rollers in every other weekend. Nah.
So we did get this part off. And this is what the bolts look like. They're shot.
I think that has probably not so much to do with salt, but more so people just forcing it when everything's dirty on a job site and just running it home anyway.
But we're gonna
We'll fix it
chase
up
the
right.
threads and get new hardware for it.
Man, shouldn't have to go with those extremes. She's sizzling. Just ain't right. Man, oh man. Shear this neck off eventually.
These tracks aren't super loose. We're just trying to go through the machine, means we just bought it, and check everything over. There we go. Let me stop here. Jeez. Definitely tight.
Just corroded too bad.
As the Germans would say, that's good and tight.
Good and tight. Yeah, look at all that corrosion just bleeding out of there. It's got some pretty smooth rotation there though. Finger tight.
How does that one look? That one actually
We've got some threads we can work with there up at the high point of the neck.
looks decent. You want to get it up here in the camera a little better. There you go.
This one's not as in bad a shape as those other two. We can maybe find out what that thread is. Okay, let's put a little heat on this other one.
You always want to prop it up so you don't have to hold it.
Whatever it takes. It does get a little tedious holding it there for even a minute or two.
Oh, you can go inside and make a pizza.
Come out, the skid loader's on fire.
A lot of times you're having trouble getting something if you just add a little heat, work with it. Usually it'll break loose. Don't go busting out the acetylene torch and melting it. That's the last resort.
And definitely don't start with the 1/2 inch impact. If the stubby's not getting it, then sometimes even torque is better than an impact in certain situations. Like this, sometimes it's better to just rock it back and forth.
Get your 3-foot pipe and let her eat. If you're using Pittsburgh tools, make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Harbor Freight.
Goodness. Got a little move out of that. Not what I wanted. Let's get her out. I do feel better about the threads on this one. That one's definitely fighting me. I doubt if that one's ever even been out. I don't know. You still have to loosen it a little bit to get the window to turn, though. Maybe they just leave it.
I bet the top threads are decent and the rest are just gone.
I think that's it. Hopefully that other side we can clean it up. I would have never guessed they were going to be that bad. I would have probably broke the broker bar out on that before I spun it.
So we plan on repainting this machine and kind of making it look a little nicer next winter. We're just kind of time crunched, coming into spring. Got some jobs waiting on us, waiting on the weather. So I think next winter we'll make a video series just tearing it down and making it look nicer. Kind of work it back and forth like he's doing. You can get some of that rust to come out of there. Keep spraying a little bit of lubrication in there. Anything you can do to not break that bolt off.
This one's not too bad either. We'll take it. We should be able to determine the thread based on this.
The guy should put some anti-season on there every time you put them back in there. Just
Previous owners didn't, but we'll
try your best to make it decent.
Okay.
We're live. We're back from Advanced Auto Parts, actually, of all places. Went ahead, got a 4-pack of bolts, some anti-seize, and we're gonna tap these holes just to clean them out.
Yeah, that's taken nicely. First I was worried, but it's coming through nice and perpendicular. Definitely grimy. It's cleaning that thing out clean.
Oops.
All good. I feel like that's taken pretty nicely, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was definitely scarred up pretty good. But got it cleaned out now, almost to the point where I can probably, yeah, just turn it by hand now.
So, All right, now we can do what we originally intended on doing.
Awesome. I wonder if it doesn't get on the camera. There we go. These no loose chunks. Yeah, we may just want to scrape a lot of that out of there while we're here. Pack of dirt and sand. A lot of sand.
Vacuum.
I know, I was thinking, I got that, I can grab that one that I got. Does a good job. I'll be right back, let's do that. I would like to get that cleaned up pretty good.